Getting into voxel art or modding Command and Conquer and need to open VXL files? These store blocky 3D models built from volumetric pixels. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll guide you through viewing and editing these voxel 3D model files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for VXL problems. See below for my top choice. A VXL file is a 3D model format based on voxels, volumetric pixels, famously used by Westwood Studios for vehicles and structures in games like Command and Conquer, Tiberian Sun, and Red Alert 2. Users encounter these files primarily when creating or installing mods to add new units to these classic games. The VXL format is a proprietary binary structure that defines a 3D object using a grid of colored cubes, voxels. This design was chosen for its low computational cost and distinctive blocky aesthetic, allowing for easily destructible models and simple rotation calculations on the hardware of its era. Your first application to test with VXL should be Command and Conquer Tiberian Sun from Westwood Studios /EA. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows provides only partial visibility, so full exploration requires a compatible 3D modeling program. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the VXL file and choose Open With. Use Command and Conquer Tiberian Sun as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If you still can't open the VXL file, it's okay. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, viewing in voxel editors. Open VXL files in Magica Voxel, a popular free voxel editor that supports import from various voxel formats. Use File then Import to load the VXL file. Magica Voxel displays the model in a 3D viewport with editing tools for modification rendering and export to other 3D formats like OBJ or PLY. Next, game-specific editors. For Command and Conquer, VXL files use specialized tools like OS VXL Editor or HVA Builder designed for Westwood voxel models. These editors handle the specific quirks of CNC voxel format, including HVA animation files, normal maps, and game palette restrictions for proper in-game appearance. Finally, converting to mesh formats. Convert VXL to polygon mesh formats using Magica Voxel's export feature or specialized voxel to mesh tools. Export as OBJ-Ply or GLTF for use in Blender, Maya, or Unity. Marching cubes or simple cube meshing algorithms transform voxel data into triangulated meshes suitable for modern 3D pipelines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.